Atrium Family House with Double Garage Arkada 2 will surprise all your guests with an interesting solution and a generous common area. This project of a family house with an atrium creates a perfect privacy for your relaxation, in which you can enjoy the proximity of nature. Family house with Atrium Arkada 2 with up to 5 living rooms will meet the housing needs for 6 to 8 people. The internal layout of the house is divided into night and day zones, with the day part of the house facing the atrium. The Arkada 2 flat-roofed family house project will fulfill all your ideas of what spaciousness is. The kitchen connected to the living room has a floor area of almost 60 square meters. French windows overlooking the atrium, a window in the dining and kitchen area provide light for the space. The kitchen design provides for the installation of a U-shaped kitchen cabinet, which will provide plenty of work surface for food preparation. There is a pantry next to the kitchen for storing food, less used kitchen utensils, and other items. The kitchen is directly connected to the dining room, where a table for 6 to 8 people can be placed. The living room offers an ideal setting for both socializing and relaxing. It impresses not only with the view to the exterior, but also with the double-sided fireplace. The pleasant crackle of the fire will keep you company, whether you are indoors or prefer to sit in the atrium. The night part of the house, with 3 rooms, offers variable furnishing options. It is entered through a corridor leading from the living room. A separate entrance leads from the atrium. In addition, all rooms have their own exits to the garden. The Arkada 2 flat-roofed atrium house can be built on flat to gently sloping terrain. The 2-car garage allows you to get out of the car directly into the house, without having to go through the exterior.